So let's buy a house, let's get a mortgage, a space for ourselves. Be grown-ups, be boring. You know we can pack up our imaginations, keep them in the hallway by the shoes. I'll move into the real world for you.
I've been acting 7 since the moment that I had my 7th birthday. Out of place in the first place, yeah. My dad said I don't know the meaning of a work day, yeah. And I've been on adventures to the center of the earth, looking for lost things. I'm so glad I found you, darling, yeah. I found your wallet in the fridge next to your toothpaste.